There we go. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Another good one. All right, got a couple firsts today. This will be the maiden voyage of the Daiwa Tatula 100. Got the 7-speed. And I tried a new leader knot, so I have tied for the first time ever a double uni knot. So we'll see how that holds up. Anyways, meet you down at the pond. All right, I'm gonna head back. So I don't have the typical door on the GoPro that makes it waterproof. So I don't know how this is really gonna go. Fishing in the rain. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Ooh. Man. There we go. Sweet, awesome fish. Gotta use the pliers on this boy. Let's just see for giggles. Well, I was gonna say put on the scale because I haven't put one on in a while, but I don't feel like getting it out. It's all wet. Nice one to start. All right. Go tell your friends. So this is the first time I've ever thrown a weightless senko on a casting rod, and brand new setup with first fish on the Daiwa Tatula reel. First time using that knot. Let's see if we can get any more to bite. It's a good start. I'm using a 5-inch Gary Yamamoto 297 green pumpkin senko. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that fish right there alone made getting soaked worth it. Oh, I got a small one. Nope, he's not small, he's just running at me. Alright. That's a good one. Another good one. He's not as good as the first fish, but still a quality fish. Alright, I might have found him. Alright. Nice fish. I may have found something just pulling it to me along the bottom. Was that the next cast? I don't even remember. Maybe we found something and they're stacked over here. So we'll see. Alright. This is what I'm using. Everyone probably knows how to rig a senko, but in case you're new to fishing, this is the old Texas rig. Put it in a little bit, turn it around, get that straight, and then run this guy out about where you're more or less where your head's going to come through, and then I just tuck that in there. That's all it takes to catch a fish. I used to catch a fish a lot through here, but there's a pretty big piece of structure I got hung on the other day when I was fishing and drug it out the water. Rain's picking up again. So I'm running an external power port to charge this GoPro as I record. And I'm wishing I had my original door right now. We'll see if the rain keeps up, but it looks clearer the way the weather's coming from. But I may have to do something so I don't ruin my GoPro. Just got hit. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, not a bad one. I was just about to turn the GoPro off. I'm getting a little bit of a long clip there. That's how you want them wormed, hooked. Better in the side of the mouth. Had to hold him close to make him look bigger. Alright, that's fish number 3, I think. Wonder if he's who hit me before. Over here. Let's find out if there's any others. Oh, I just got hit there. Oh yeah. Alright. What do you know, there are more. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Alrighty, sir. Thanks for the memories. The cast with this worm, it's on its last leg. I'll just work the bank down here. I don't know if I got it far enough out. Well, it looks clearer the way the weather should be coming from. I don't know. If we don't lose all this footage.